Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up automatic workout detection on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu, then open Settings from the app menu. Tap Workout and then tap Workout Detection. Tap where it says Type and then tap the tick to acknowledge that turning on workout detection will reduce your watch's battery life. Select the activities that you would like your watch to auto-detect. With some of them, such as swimming, you will have to give some additional information, such as the lap length. When you have chosen which workouts will be auto-detected, you can go back to the last page and choose whether you would like to be alerted that a workout has been detected by turning the toggle to the right of Alert on or off. You can also change the detection sensitivity on this page by tapping Sensitivity and choosing between High, Standard or Low. You can also edit the workout detection settings on your watch from your phone. To do this, open up the Zepp app on your phone and tap on Profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the name of your watch at the top under Devices. Select Watch Settings and then tap Workout. Now tap Workout Detection. You can now enable the toggles of the workouts that you would like to be detected automatically. You can turn the toggle to the right of Alert on to be alerted when a workout is detected, or you can choose to have it off and not be alerted. If you tap Sensitivity, you can choose the sensitivity level of the workout detection. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.